So I wanted to show you guys something here real quick. I wanted to show you how bad the video is right now. I'll go ahead and focus in on here for you. Got the stripes right there, and everything is very jumpy. Notice it's kind of going in and out there. If I jump over here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to disconnect the video input. Just coincidentally, I have the IOSD AV input ground lifted just to see what it would do. Alright, so that is now disconnected, so the IOSD is sitting on its own. Video, very clear. So it looks like the problem is, I mean extremely clear. It looks like the problem is coming down from the gimbal itself. Alright, more to follow. Thanks.